Hello and welcome to our first video for Modelling Electronics. Today we're going to be looking at the basic electronics starter kit that we supply. Now in this kit there's various components. Let's have a look what we've got. Got some LEDs, we've got 6 LEDs. These are 3mm LEDs and we've got 2 of each colour. We've got a breadboard, a 400 tie breadboard and some jumper wires that fit into the breadboard. These help you make your basic circuits and get you started. You can test circuits before you start producing a PCB to put them in. Got some variable resistors with little spindles to adjust the resistor value. Got some ceramic disc capacitors. Got electrolytic capacitors. And with these, they've got a little arrow down the side. Let's open one up and have a look. Now there's a little arrow down the side and that's the negative leg. But with all components, if there's one leg longer than the other, as you can see on this one, it's just a little bit longer. The longer leg is always positive, and that goes the same for the LEDs, tantalum bead capacitors, etc. They're all the same. We've got some diodes. We've got various packs of resistors in here. These are different value resistors depending on what type of circuit and what you need them to be done. We've got 3 little tack switches. These are basically just push button on off switches and they fit into the breadboard perfectly. Got a 9V battery clip. We've got some transistors and we've got 2 of the 555 integrated timer circuits. The project kit comes with a little booklet. Now, we open this up, got a little introduction and we've got the parts list. Everything that's included in this kit is listed here in the values. And we go through then and we list what's included and we give a little bit of a photograph and explain what that part is. Right, we've got the breadboard and the jumper wires in section 1. And we've got the resistors, a little photograph of the resistors, and next we have the timer chip. Like I said, the booklet that goes through gives you a little bit of an introduction to them, how they work and what they're for. Then we have an introduction to how breadboards work and how you need to fit your electronic components into the breadboard. Then we come on to the experiments. Now, there's only 3 experiments in this booklet. There's more experiments on our website and we update them and add more to them quite often. Now in this first one we're just going to make an LED light up. Now an LED is 2.1 volts, so as we've got a 9V battery clip for the breadboard, we'll be adding 9 volts to the breadboard. So we've got to add a resistor to the circuit in order so we don't damage the LED. In experiment 2 we're going to make a dimmable LED. Now for this it will be using one of the variable resistors, which is the 2-time pots, variable resistors and spindles. By altering resistance we can alter the brightness of the LED. A little bit of theory about calculating the resistance, and we've got experiment 3. Experiment 3 is a rain detector circuit, also be used as a leak detector circuit. This is sold quite a lot. We do actually produce this circuit ready built and it's sold quite a lot for model boats. So that way if they have a little bit of a bump and there's a crack in the hull and water leaks in, at least they can be alerted. It takes you through step by step where to place the jumper wires in the breadboard and where to place the components. Now as we said, there's only 3 experiments in this booklet. There's lots of components. We can find a host of projects and tutorials on our website at www.modelingelectronics.co.uk. On the back we've got the resistor colour and coding, so if you do not put the resistors back in the correct bags, you then can go on, look at the individual colours and work out what resistance value there is. Thank you very much for watching our first video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.